Pong in Python using pygame, and I'm currently getting distracted. There we go. Can't hear myself on here, can I? No. Cool. So, really there's not much to do other than just get into it. So, let's do a quick what we need to do kind of thing. So let's, is there a to do thing? Okay, let's go for that. F up. Right, I'll just write it out because it's easier. So, we need to work out how the paddles are going to work. Whether we're going to have one player and the system controls the other, or whether it's going to be two player. Do we want a menu? Can they pause? So we'll need to consider these things. What other things do we need? Well, we need to monitor the score. Okay. This is quite a basic one at the minute, so let's go with this. We'll just get started. So, import pygame. We'll import the locals that are required. This just allows us to use, wait there. Hold on a second, guys. Apparently OBS is complaining of something. Well, not OBS, but YouTube is. Which is apparently the fault of OBS. Ah. Hopefully that adjusts it so it's got a good keyframe. And I'll keep an eye on YouTube in the meantime. Okay, so we're not going to do classes or any of that, we're just going to do it straight into the text file. So we want to initialize pygame. Width, we'll call 640, height equals width by 16 times 9. If I remember rightly, this should be 380. Let's have a just quick check. Oh. 360. Eh. Right, what else do we need? We need an FPS timer. Equals pygame time clock. Oh, nice. What the hell is going on with that? I just changed the keyframe. I'm not going to finish the stream. Guys on Twitch, is there anything wrong with the video? Let me know. So we're going to say paddle 1. I'm going to use this, do this as dict kind of thing. So we've got an X of 0, Y of 0. These are going to change, obviously. The width of 50. And the height of around about 150. this is going to be paddle 2. Okay, the ball going to have dict objects associated with it as well. And it's practically going to be the same as this stuff. Now, let's do this and paste over that. Now, we'll probably change this for the ball here, but currently it's not too bad. Let me grab something to listen to. Yes. Playlists or release. Shuffle mode. And shuffle. Okay, so it's shuffling, that's good. Skip the ad. Bring up OBS. There we go. Wow. True. Let's get a couple of colors defined actually. So black equals okay. Oh, I don't have a screen. Display set mode. Okay, so any code that's going to cause an update needs to go in here. And I can type properly. Or event.type is equal to a key down, and the key of that event is escape. I'm going to call pygame.quit. I'm going to call pygame, no, sys.exit, I'll pass 0 into that, right. Elif event.type equals key down. Okay, let's go W keys. Actually, keys event dot key is true. It's probably a really lazy way to do it. move this stuff across quickly. Like this. Minimize this. Thank you. I'll have up the screens I need. Okay. Sorry, this should be if. Oh no, it's an elif, sorry. And then event.type equals key up. And keys. Okay, so now I'll do possibly. We'll see. Okay, so if keys k underscore w is not none. Don't know why that syntax highlighting doesn't work. Could you get the fuck out of my way? There we go. It's still not highlighting those keywords. It's a personal thing, but I prefer to see those keywords popping up. I would use code here, but it bitches way too much. Waiting for the UAC to pop up quickly, guys, sorry. Because for some reason Sublime isn't displaying the Python 3 keywords, which it should be. Oh, there we go. Right. Now we can do this, this. Don't need all this pish here, thank you. Add project folder. There we go. Not a big fan of the color scheme, but we'll go with it. Oh yeah, I need to do git add. Whoa, no, 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 no. Let me just do it. Make sure we got the right one. Okay, so git add and cd py files. Git commit tag m. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. Just had to quickly change that. I'm also going to change the. I really should have done this already, but I'm going to change the color scheme because this isn't the nicest. Cool. That looks nice though. It's still complaining, but screw it. Nobody cares, YouTube. Right. So if keys k underscore w is not none, and keys k underscore w paddle 1 x plus equals paddle speed. Let's go up here and define that. There we go. Now if keys k underscore s is not none and keys k underscore s. Hold on. Not the x, it's the y. The x is mainly there, well, it's only there for me to be able to position it on the screen. So that's player 1 controls. So let's do this. Player 1, player 2. So in the meantime, I'm just going to use the up and down arrows. Down. There we go. So we need to change that obviously to be paddle 2. Let's do this and player controls. Okay, so to render the players, it's actually quite easy. I'll do it up here for now. I may move it further down. I don't know. Not gonna make that much of a difference. I'm gonna do pygame draw rect, and it needs a screen color, and then we do this because it needs a rect object. So we just put this in. So we're gonna say paddle 1 x paddle 1 y. Yep. Generally, I put this in around about 50, I believe. So let's try that. Oh. Not this one. And then we go width minus 100, because we know that the... I mean, if I wanted to be clever about this, I could go... paddle margin equals calling it 50, paddle width equals call it 50 as well. Paddle height. This saves us from having to declare it multiple times, which we're currently doing anyway, so this could actually help. Because then what we do is, in here it gets a lot easier to be more dynamic if we need to. So we go width minus paddle width plus paddle margin. And obviously we just space this out a bit better. Then here we go paddle width, paddle height. This allows us to tweak these a lot easier now, other than the way I was doing it, compared to the way I was doing it before, sorry. So that's paddle 1 drawn. So paddle 1. And then just update these. Now if we bring in this and go game. Oh, integer amount expected got float. No, that's wrong. Okay, we'll just type it in for now. Shouldn't be a float. But let's try that again. Control Z. I'm going to print the height. That should not be a float amount. Oh. So really what I need to do is... So Python 3 automatically converts it to a float then? Don't know, I'll need to have a look at that. Anyway. It should hope to fix that issue. I wonder what is print k underscore w. Just see, because if that's an integer, then I possibly could hit an int. 119. Okay, so there we go. Let's be lazy here and find our keys thing, and we'll just say like so. That should hopefully fix that issue. It's a bit big for what we actually need, but sure. List index out of range. No, it's not. I'm just taking a guess at the number of keys I need. Okay, so we've got the player working so far. It's a bit slow. List assignment index out of range. There's not 300 keys though, what the fuck? Okay, let's just take the absolute best, I don't know. Let's do a... So where we're assigning these, what we'll do is we'll say keys, then, sorry, not keys, print event.key. Now, I only care about this, but I do need to have a quick switch here, so up, down. So I need 119, 115, and 273 and 274. So when it was complaining in the past about it being out of range at 300, that's just wrong. Whatever. Because I should be able to do 274 at this point, and that should work. Python. That makes no sense whatsoever. Oh, right. Dumbass. Right, so what I need to do is, when I had 274 before, it's not until 274, it's 275 because it's 0 based. Don't need to care about alt mask. I do need to care about the escape key, which isn't necessarily. Okay, well that works, so I don't need to care about that. Okay. Cool. No, you're not rendering for some reason. Paddle 2x, paddle 2y. Unless it's that. Doubt it though. Oh, dumbass. Right, let's go like that. Paddle y will set to 50. This goes there. There we go. So I can also move that up and down. So we do Again, that's incorrect. 50. Seems a bit too wide, doesn't it? Hold on, let's fix that. There we go. They also move a little slow. That's fine because we can adjust the speed. So paddle speed 3. Should get that. They're a bit too tall. Okay, so now we need to do the binding. And paddle to y greater than 0. That should hopefully stop this. Now we know that these are no longer not none. You know what I mean? Like we know they're actually a value. So I'm going to assume none is false. Let's see. Can we go past that top bit? No. Cool. Okay. And paddle 2 plus paddle height is less than height. Okay. So now paddle 2 should no longer be Yep. So now that should not be able to move beyond the bottom, which it's not. We've got it bound where it is. That's good. So now we just need to do the same with paddle 1, and that's that section pretty much done. Right, so. Well. And paddle 1, y, 0. Less than so now paddle 1 will not be able to move beyond the bounds either. Okay. Random.randint 0 width. Actually, no, I like the idea of it starting in the center. Yeah, fuck it. Random.randint 0 height. I can spell properly. Okay, XY width and height, yep, that's fine. Oh. Oh. pygame dot draw circle screen white ball X ball Y. Let's have a look at the circle docs. Color, position, and radius. So radius of 16. I should probably have a radius object within this actually. Now I only need to worry about replacing it here. No, that wasn't the one I wanted, dickhead. Okay, yeah, so we've now got the ball on screen. It seems about the right size. So that was a good guess, I would say. Ball speed equals 5 for now. I'll add another dx. We'll just set that to ball speed for now. And dy, which is also going to be ball speed. So if ball x less than, okay, so if 0 is less than or equal to ball x, and ball x is less than or equal to width, ball speed equals 5. I don't think this is going to work the way I think it's going to work. Because, so if ball x, this is on the width, is less than or equal to 0, equals negative ball speed. I'll try it this way, because I think it may work. No, I don't. Can't make up my mind. Less than or equal to 0. We'll invert it this way. If ball x greater than or equal to height, then ball speed equals negative 5. That's not height, that's width, but when I do the paste, that's actually kind of a handy stick. Need to do the negatives, sorry, the different speeds, because then it's just easier. What I'll do in the meantime is should work, hopefully. Where are you looking at ball speed? Oh. I don't need these actually. Ball x plus equals ball speed. Ball y so we've kind of got the rebounding working already. Plus, sorry, in this one, minus ball radius. Why I'm doing it that way, I don't know. No, it does. Okay. Plus ball radius divided by 2. I should hopefully stop the x-axis clipping a little bit too far. No one cares. That's not an issue. Basically, I just need to copy this. Yep, so I'll just type this in myself. Ball radius divided by 2. There we go. So now it rebounds off top and bottom. Okay, so this is just edge detection. So now I need to do paddle detection. So if ball x is equal to paddle 1 x plus paddle width is less than or equal to. Then ball yeah, we just want to change the X speed. 5. Now that's just if it's equal on the X. It's also got to be equal on the Y. Ball Y is greater than or equal to paddle 1 Y and ball Y is less than or equal to paddle 1 Y plus paddle height. Hopefully that'll work. Let's do a print statement just to make sure. So it doesn't care about paddle 2, but it does care about paddle 1. Hey, that worked. So okay, so what we also need to do is this isn't actually going to be doing this. This isn't going to be a rebound thing. This is actually going to be called resetting the ball. Let's be lazy. Just do a quick lazy thing. Let's go ball dir equals 5 and negative 5. Let's go the other way, I think. Negative 5 and 5. There we go. Then we say ball X equals width divided by 2. Ball Y equals height divided by 2. That just resets it to the center. What we say is ball X speed equals random.randint. Sorry, ball dir random.randint 0 and 2, because I believe that's not inclusive. I don't know. We'll find out. And player 2 score plus equals 1. Player 1, it's not player, it's paddle. Score. We'll get to drawing that in a second. We'll start off with a score of 0, so I can render the score straight away without a key issue coming up. So that's paddle 1 detection. I can quickly switch to insert mode, which doesn't exist apparently. Greater than or equal to paddle 2x. That's literally the only change that should need to be done to that for it to work. So this should reset it. Oh, invalid syntax. Oh right, there's no parenthesis there, is there? No. Okay, where was that error again? Sorry, line 58. This one. Hey, it worked. Oh, and it scored. Well, because it's a set and not an array, sorry. It should hopefully work now. What do you mean you got fucking... I'm assuming that's the X and Y. So let's do print ball X ball Y. Okay. Much better. As font equals pygame font dot font 15. Let's just grab a random font from Google Fonts. 20 fucking quid for a font. Go suck a dick. Fuck right off. I'm not paying 20 quid for a font. It's apparently a Minecraft font, but screw it, let's copy this into it. Let me find the folder, sorry. Okay, and then we go to our font thing and we go pixel.ttf. P1 score equals font dot. Look at this font stuff again, I can't remember. I do need to call pygame.font.net, that's a good point. Okay, so I just do it. Render score but it's not even that, is it? It's we'll wrap it as a string and we'll say paddle1 score paddle2 score. It needs to go into the paddles at least, so pygame dot screen dot blit, and then we want to let's name that something a bit better than just plain old score. Score text. And I believe this needs to be an X and a Y, so X we'll call 10 from the top. Y, I don't know. Height divided by 2. Not height. Width divided by 2. And then Y is just 10. It should hopefully work. Unable to read font file. That's because it's not called that, is it? It's in the data folder as well. Where am I doing that? Oh. been there would be handy because I need to do this still, don't I? Takes at least 3 arguments. Anti-alias. False. And color white. Huh. I thought that might be the case. Let's change the size of that font because it was quite small, wasn't it? Let's go. Okay, let's list index out of range. Ah, so it's 0 and 1. Okay. Technically collided, so sure. That was quite good. What I will do is here. What is that render thing? Then I think we're done, pretty much. That looks more central to me. Sure. Okay, so what we're now going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove those print statements wherever they are, because I don't need them anymore. It should be within the for event, yeah. Okay, where it says collided, don't need that because it's actually colliding sort of properly. We'll say wrap this with an int because otherwise it's just going to be annoying. Times difficulty. Okay, if keys k underscore plus difficulty plus equals 1. Yep, and lf kp, yeah, keys kp underscore minus There we go. So you can't go beyond 1 because otherwise it would just stop the ball entirely. KP underscore. Okay, is it K underscore maybe? And K for some reason. It doesn't quite update the yeah. Doesn't quite update that properly. Are we only modifying? Yeah, we are. Actually, that's not even correct. So what needs to happen here is this stuff just needs to get deleted because it's not even slightly correct. Because it's not here that we do the difficulty multiplication. Because it makes no sense to do it here. So I'm going to find out where I've done it previously. There. I'm going to go in and I'm just going to remove it. Times difficulty goes in here. Good thing about doing that allows us to tweak it from why it's going slow in that direction, I don't quite know. Meh. Do kind of need to get it working. All done. Why are you inverse? Ah, okay. Yeah. if it's not just good to go. You know what? It works without this. Oh, motherfucker. Cool. So this should now work without an issue. That's a lot smoother than the one I've done in the past. Oh, wait, what? A weird bug. Right, I do need. Okay, so now I need to work out first if I want people to be able to pause it, which may be an idea. Oh, sorry, man. Cool. Right. So if paddle 1 score I have no. Right, what was I doing? Oh yeah, the score. Well, we'll call it 5 for now. Then, winner equals font dot render player 1 wins. Now for direction. Sorry. So I'm going to assume that each one of these is 10 pixels. Kind of stupid, but we'll go with it. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 15 pixels wide, so if we take off 7 pixels, it should be roughly center. So width divided by 2 minus 7. Let's just wrap this. And for the height, wait, when I rendered that, where did I render it? Really? Why did I do that? I seem to have taken the font size that I used and, okay, that's just you anyway. Now it would be 7, however. Now it should be 10, which actually should be 20, so it should be 140 pixels? Which seems a bit much. We'll see. Makes that an even number, so we then do height divided by 2 minus 10. LF paddle 2 score. Now we just adjust this to say 2. Player 2 wins. Now what we should do is screen.blit winner. Wait, that's not correct. Yeah, I didn't think so. Fuck's sake. No. For fuck's sake, I'm getting fed up with that bloody keyboard shortcut. It's getting way too in the way. So let's make sure player 1 can win. Oh no, let's player 2 win. Ah well. We'll allow it. 4. Player 2 wins. Yay! That offset that much is way too much. It's gonna be too much as well, but so ball x speed equals 0. Ball y equals 0. lift that up so it's out of the way. So it should be player 1 winning at this point. Oh, let's just make sure. Okay, apparently fucking won. Player 1 wins, yay! Let's adjust that Y. Yeah. Should do. Okay. So it would be minus 140, so let's try minus 70. I think that might work. It's gone off center again, and I don't like that fact. Player 1 wins, yeah! Okay, so now I need to center that text again. 80. Seems pretty close to where I want it to be. How's it going, Andy? Welcome to the stream. There we go. Yay! Yeah, I don't like the dark theme that much. Well, if you want, I can put on my screen overlay that I'm supposed to use. Okay, let me put on my screen overlay that I'm supposed to use and see if you prefer that. Something tells me you won't. We'll see. Where are you? There. Wait for it to actually show the fuck up. This software doesn't take. Whoa, what the what? Well, that's not what I wanted. That doesn't do the trick at all. No, where are we? It went to a stupid bloody place there, and I don't know why. We'll call that a glitch, since I recently changed the orientation of my screens. Although I've fucking rebooted since then, so I don't know. I blame the software. There's gotta be a fucking shortcut. Hold on. No, I'm actually supposed to be using this anyway. Let me check my OBS then. Give me a second. No, it's not OBS. This is. It's not popping up. What the fuck? It should be working. What the fuck? I have way too many things on my window, on my screen. There used to be a time. Did I start streaming again? Yes, I did. Okay. Let me know if that's changed anything. Has it? Nice. Go for it. Aye, sure. Hey, can I get my overlay up? It's been a dick. Is it better now? Cool. Yeah, apparently there's something wrong with the keyframe interval. Which makes sense actually if I think about it now. A 2-in-1 laptop, i7, 12 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig SSD. Nice. Very nice. Good on you. What was I doing with this? Oh, this. I think I was trying to centralize the text model. Let's see. So now player 2 should be able to win. It's a good thing when things are chill though. I better cal and time everything. I don't quite get what you mean there, Andy. Fair enough. Hey, that looks good. The font's a bit janky, but I really just want it for the score at the top. Oh, why can I hear myself? I don't want to hear myself. Shut up. Don't want to hear myself. Move. Where's the shut up button? There we go. I'm surprised you don't already have an SSD for your main computer, man. Like, seriously. I use an SSD in mine, and it is fantastic. Then again, I don't know, I've got a 256 and I have a 1TB hard drive. Okay, so, yay, this kind of works. Ah, fair enough. We need a way to reset, I think. So, space, what key is space? Fair enough. Have I used space for anything? I thought I'd used space. Okay, so I'm gonna have a boolean down here that just says 1 false at this point because of course it is. And then I'll spell it properly the third time round. So we obviously set 1 equal to true. 1 equal to true here. So if keys k underscore space 1 gets set to false. I don't really touch batch or bash much. Not had much of a use for it to be fair. So, you know, 1 equals false, so paddle 1 score, sorry, why am I doing that? Score is 0 again, paddle 2 score, is 0. Speed equals, what's that random thing? Ball y speed equals, there we go. If you need them, you need them, eh? So let's allow it to need reset. See, this is how I know I've got better at programming. In the past I would, well, apart from that fucking glitch there, I don't know why it does that. In the past I would not have been able to do this properly. No! Hey, player one wins. Space. Aha, so it does reset. Yay! You may need metal help. Alright, mental. No, I suppose that's what they're kind of meant for, isn't it? To automate shit. No, I wanted to stop that. You can glitch it out a little. The fuck is this bullshit? Skip. Don't give a shit about safaris. Well, that's useful. Ooh. Now, no one would notice that, but it's a cool effect. Let me see. That's fair enough. Okay, so no one's really gonna notice this, especially since no one's gonna download it. But no, that's fair enough. That's pretty much what I would use it for. Okay, now let's offset this. Yep, I'm assuming this is Linux, not Windows. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, hold on. I know why that is. Okay, so the idea is you wouldn't notice it until the ball goes up there. Like, it's the tiny fucking thing, but it looks... I like it. You barely notice that change. Yeah. And... okay, that's a quick, simple thing, and I like the way it looks. Okay. And A. Probably quite annoying, yeah. Programming is great fun. I'm not even doing game dev, I'm doing fucking comp sci and I enjoy this kind of thing as well. It's good to be able to know how to do shit, whether it's in my field or not. But looking at this, I know there's ways I could fucking improve it. I don't think many jobs actually do it for, like, bash scripting for jobs. That didn't make any sense. I don't think there's many jobs out there for bash scripting. I think it's just part of what you do in your job. So the overarching thing isn't usually bash scripting. But with your bash scripts, if they're created on your boss's hardware, by the way, you probably won't be able to use them. Well, you can probably use them, but you probably won't be able to take them elsewhere. I wonder. No, because then if I do that, then I need to do that. So, let's see. No, I think this is done. What do you think, Demon? Do you think I should add some more to this? Oh, my battery bank's now charged. I know. Yes, and that's exactly why I did it. That's why I made it in Python, was because then it's practice. Git commit. There we go. Don't even suggest Subversion, Mercurial, CVS, or any of the others. Git's awesome. See, when you did that facing, I thought you were going to say something bad about Git, then I'm like, no, Git's a good thing. Git means I get to be lazy. Tell you what I will do. I think I'll change the font file. Move this out of the way. Grab the font file. Is that a TTF? It is a TTF. Hey. Wouldn't it be awesome if I still had the thing open? Oh wait, I do, kind of. Add a meme to it. I don't know. No. I'm going to change the font quickly. Because I don't quite like the way the text is displayed. I could add a pause to it, that'd be a simple addition. Py files, data. Cool. That looks better. Looks more like the original Pong font. Paddles seem a little too slow though. That looks better. I'm going to change that to uppercase. That looks a little better. And that looks better. Well, that was close. Okay, so that 20 is actually when it's all uppercase. That's how wide the characters are. Lowercase, I'm assuming then is 10. Yeah. So that text is now centered. And that score is going to be fine. I think I'll do the same here just to I'm literally just faffing around now. Something tells me there wasn't like the 0, 0, yeah. That's weird. Oh, it's in the shadow. I'm a dumbass. Okay. Oh, hold on. Back to Atom. Yeah, no, since it only goes to that, then that's not needed. Okay. Cool. So that, yep, that's it. Done. Git add game. Make sure it's changed. Git cd data. Git add pixel. Git commit changed font. Cool. Right guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the stream. This is me making pong in Python using pygame. Not much else I can add, so if you like the stream and you're not currently following, please consider hitting that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, please consider subscribing, and goodbye.